Michael, a Mercedes guy here, and I'm going to explain how to remove the headlight door and how to remove your amber turn signal. Note that you can remove each one separately, or if you want, you can take both off, but you don't have to take one off to get the other off. So I'm going to reach in here, and there is a nut right here. Now sometimes these nuts are very hard to turn, so this one's going to be easy, luckily. What happens is the internal threads bind up when this shrinks. If that's the case, you want to first lube the threads and then get a pair of pliers in here to turn the nut. But this one spins right off real nice. Now, the next step is to push this assembly straight forward. You don't want to pull it off, and I'll show you why. You can twist that bulb holder, and here's the reason you want to pull it straight forward. These little fingers that go into these slots, they're very fragile, and if you don't have it pushed all the way forward to release them and then pull it sideways, you'll break these fingers off. Okay, then we're going to remove the headlight door. It has 3 of these nylon nuts. One at the top. Fortunately, all these turn very easily. There's one at the top, 2 at the bottom. Gingerly pull this straight forward. If you don't pull it straight forward, you can break off the studs. And this one, I'm having a bit of trouble because the metal piece underneath is binding. There we go. See the metal piece, and it'll bind on this lip right here. And if you keep pulling, you can damage your headlight door. So what I did, I slid my tool underneath it, like so, to bring it up over this lip of the metal.